I got Yeezys. I had to throw the shirt on because wavy vibes. But what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and today I have an unboxing from the GOAT app. As you can probably already see from the title, I picked up a pair of Yeezys and I'm gonna be unboxing them for you guys right here live on Denver's Reviews. So without further ado, sit back, get some snacks, and enjoy this video. Yeah guys, I actually did buy these resale for $3.90. I ended up doing it because I tried to get it for my birthday weekend because my birthday is December 17th. This came out December 16th. And they came up for $2.20. I tried to get them on the Foot Locker Reserve app, the Foot Action Reserve app, and the Champs Reserve app. I struck out everywhere. I tried to get them online. I struck out there too. So I was like, all right, just I'm about to go buy these resale for Christmas, and so that's what I pretty much did. Guys, so pretty much StockX and GOAT is like the seller ships to StockX or GOAT. They authenticate them and they ship them out to you guys. I think GOAT is more complex in my opinion because you actually get a check mark. I'll show it somewhere on the screen, like the seller or the order goes through, the seller confirms or whatever, yada yada yada. You get to see them ship to GOAT, and then when it gets to GOAT, it will check off, and then you can see GOAT shipping out to you guys. That's when you'll get your tracking number and you get to track your shoes right to your house. Same thing as StockX, except StockX doesn't have this little checklist thing, and that's why I like GOAT because you even know where your shoes are at all times. Whereas StockX, you don't know where they're at before they get to StockX and before you get a tracking number. So that's why I like GOAT more in my opinion. But I'll actually do a GOAT and StockX comparison video, and you guys aren't really covered for that, so let me get straight into this unboxing. Alright guys, so the first thing you see when you open that box is that on the top of the box in that bubble lettering in that black writing. Ooh, that is sauce like some Fuego grape pop, cuz. Alright, so the right side of the box you got that boost and that black lettering as well, and then on the left side you just have nothing really. And then on the front side, you get the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, adidas.com/Kanye with the Adidas logo at the bottom of the box. And on the other side, for the official sizing tag side, you got Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size 13, which is the size I got these in. And the official colorway name is Bloodstained Weather, and I don't know how to pronounce that shit. But yeah, I actually got these pair from Yeezy Supply, and I'm 100% positive about that. Alright, as you guys probably see, I'm going to probably put it on there. On the left side of the box, you have this barcode that says Fulfillment Warehouse PCS, and pretty much if you have that barcode on your Yeezy box, that means it came from Yeezy Supply. I think this is a slide out box, and you see that GOAT authentication card. I'll probably put that on the screen somewhere. It says these shoes are actually authenticated by someone named like K or R or something, I'm not really sure. Putting these shoes up, you got that straight, nice wax brown paper that all Yeezys come with, and let's unravel these shoes, man. I'm tired of waiting. Bam! Here they are right here, the Yeezy Blue Tint V2. I just want to turn my ISO down a little bit for you guys so you can actually see these in hand perfectly. You know what I'm saying? That boost in the bottom. Pull tab, straight beautiful. Medial side of the shoe, got that zebra print still. All the V2s that have been coming out recently have that zebra print, and I actually really like it. The priming on the top is a little bit harder because in the insole you can probably see there's a cage holding it up. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, so the prime knit and the inside is a little bit stiffer, and then the outside, you know what I'm saying, really nice and like flexible. Padding, 3 stripes right here on the back, so if you take a picture it's gonna reflect back to your camera. So these are just straight soft, you know what I'm saying. Nothing else I can really say about them, but I'm not gonna hold you guys' time. Hopefully you guys like the b-roll of these, and hopefully you guys actually see these quite well in hand. I actually have a lot of videos dropping. I'm gonna be doing a how to style these and an actual official review on these as well. I have a lot of reviews I have to do on other shoes I picked up. I have a lot of stuff to catch up on, but 2018 is our year. We're grinding, we're glowing up, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, this is Antonio from Denver's Reviews. Hope you guys like this little unboxing slash like first thoughts, and I'm going to go eat, so I am out. Peace.